Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to find hidden friend list in Facebook. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First, you all need to do is to go on facebook.com. You will see I logged in and here I am, my profile. So let me show you how you can find the hidden friend list in Facebook. On the top right corner you will see my account, my profile. So this is my profile, Michael Patter, and you will see the different options. You can simply go on setting and privacy and simply click on settings. Click on that. It will get you another page and you will see different options here. Now you will see you can simply click on privacy and there you go, the privacy setting and tools. You will see the different first privacy shortcuts. Check your few important settings, manage your profile, learn more with basic privacy basic, your activity. You can see your future posts, your friends, review all your posts. You can tag list, limit the audience for post, and how, there you go, how people can find and contact you. Who can see your friend request, everyone who can see your friend list. This is what we're gonna looking for this. So it's just still on public, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on hidden flash. Click, simply click on added. Simply click on only friends, friends app, specific friends, on friends, and there you go. So this is how you can hide your friend list from anyone, from public friends. For specific, you can go with the specific friends. So this is how you can the people can contact you, and you can find the hidden friend list on facebook.com. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.